Welcome to ABP Live Auto Awards Edition 3, and this is an award for the Autonauts, of the Autonauts and by the Autonauts. We have Bipul with us, and congratulations Bipul on winning the Premium Bike of the Year. How do you feel?
Well, it might be a cliche, but ecstatic.
Are you an Autonaut?
Obviously, yes.
Please tell me how.
Well, professionally, I have spent my almost entire working life with automobile companies. So, well, that is one facet of it. And personally, also, I'm a big autonaut, and I drive, I ride. So, well, yes.
I want to know the core vision behind this designing.
There are multiple factors behind this design. So, to begin with, this is world's most powerful mono. We mean world's most powerful single cylinder engine. And as I said, at 77 bhp, it is one of the amazing engines and very performance oriented. The bike itself, if you look at the design, it is in a Hypermotard category, and the basic idea is to have fun with the bike, which I'm sure anyone who loves this category of bikes, he enjoys it a lot.
Which is your favorite bike, I want to know?
Very difficult to choose.
Not this?
But no. Amongst all the bikes, very difficult to choose, but for the evening, obviously, yes.
Thank you so much, Bipul, for being here, and congratulations again for this award.